Up first this evening, a man who was charged under the anti-gang law but freed by the courts says the police are now hunting to kill him. The mother of the man also claims the police have visited her home 3 times. TVJ's Kirk Wright has this primetime news follow-up.
On November 8, the courts released Mr. George Ellis after the Director of Public Prosecutions dropped the case against him. Vincent Wellesley is his attorney.
When the DPP entered a nully, that was the right, just, and decent thing to have done.
Mr. Ellis's mother, Valda Basco, says the police have been to her house in St. Andrew 3 times asking for her son. She says when the police came last Thursday, they said they had a search warrant.
Because them tell me explain, said then say we're going to kill him. And say I must prepare to bury him because they will kill him. That's what the officer tell me. And when I was talking to me on the veranda, I tell him, say, a narrow road, I walk on. I'm not telling no lie. Him don't come here. I hold up me to one ear, I say, as God is my witness, him don't come here. Him don't come. And when I was talking to one on the veranda, I said, about 3 or 4 of them take the back and go around the back. And same time, my baby mother come around. And I said to her, I said, get the key. Because through while going up there, I make her grill gate go way high up to the back. And I said to her, I said, get the key for me quick. I want to go in the back and I don't want to go plant nothing around there and tell no lie upon him.
Ms. Basco says while searching, the police said they found a loaded magazine on her premises, a claim she has disputed.
I tell him, then can't find no magazine here because I don't have anybody here.
Ms. Basco and her son's girlfriend were the only ones at home when the police came. The family's attorney is confident none of the 2 women had a magazine at the house.
So to my mind, there's only one inference that can be drawn. One inescapable inference that can be drawn. And that it must have been planted by the police.
Mr. Ellis says he has not been to the house since his release.
I've been to Augustown for 2 years, 7 months, 3 weeks and 4 days now.
He says the police have accused him of being the leader of a gang called No Dollars, No Cents. But Mr. Ellis says No Dollars, No Cents is simply a promotional entity.
I have permits that the same arbitrary police grant permit for the same No Dollars, No Cents promotion when we're hosting any party or round robin or any event at all.
After spending almost 3 years in lockup for 3 crimes which he has all been acquitted of, Mr. Ellis says he wants the police to leave him alone.
Because I'm in fear of my life, of the police, then because they're sending threat and they come at my yard. I'm in fear of my life and I want to live a normal life. I want to live a normal life for me and my kids, them and my family.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.